Istio is an open platform to connect, manage, and secure microservices. Let's see what it takes to install and run Istio on Google Kubernetes Engine or GKE. First, create a Kubernetes cluster on GKE with gcloud container clusters create command. Make sure your cluster is using Kubernetes 1.9 or newer. And grant admin permissions to the current gcloud user. Now download the latest Istio version and add Istio-ctl command line tool to your path. Now we are ready to install Istio's core components. We will install the optional auth components. This creates Istio system namespace and deploys the 4 primary control plane components: pilot, mixer, ingress, and certificate authority. Let's quickly verify the installation. And that's it. That's all it takes to install Istio on GKE.